go. Dang. Ooh. Dang it. Ow. Yeah. Shoot. That's not good. Yes, perfect. Oh gosh, that feels good to be done with that. Oh yeah. Now we can finally take a look at the brake pads. So these pads are off the driver's side, and as you can see, they're not great, but there's still a decent amount of pad left on it. But when we go to the passenger side, this one looks okay. This one's down to bare metal. So this was the culprit for that grinding. Not quite sure why only one of them wore down this far. It might be something to do with one of the pins not being lubricated. We're gonna change out the pads and see if it happens again. Oh boy. I forgot to put the rotor on. Shoot. Alright, good. There. That's better. Yes. Before we go any further, let's check our brake fluid. Because as we pump that piston back in, this is going to fill up more and more. It's already above max, so we're going to have to siphon some out. There, now we've got plenty of room to go back up. I'm gonna leave the cap off so that this doesn't pop with all that pressure coming in. Nice. I pushed the parking brake in a little farther than I planned because I'm just curious how far it would go. And then I heard a bang, and what do you know? The line snapped. It legit is better that this happened now instead of on the road. But now I gotta go do some research because I wasn't planning on fixing this. Be right back. Okay, I did some research laying on the floor here. This might be easier than I thought. Turns out this busted wire is the front end of an intermediate parking brake wire. You can see that it clips into that metal bracket there. So I just need to get a new wire, and it's going to replace the whole assembly, including the stuff in the back. While I wait for that cable, I guess I might as well get the wheels back on. All right, got the new parking brake cable. Let's get this thing done. Maybe there's some trick to this. I'm gonna go look it up on the internet. I'll be right back. I can't find anything even mentioning this being a problem, so that makes me think that it's probably just rust making it a problem. So I guess brute force to the rescue. Yes! Oh, awesome. Awesome. Back to where we were, with fresh parts this time at least. There we go. So the parking brake's not on. Can we turn the wheel? Yes. Click on the parking brake. 2 clicks. Just for grins, I'm gonna put it all the way to the floor again. Okay. So it's engaging. 2 clicks. Let's tighten this up a little bit. Parking brake off. Still free. Parking brake all the way to the floor. Solid. Oh man, this is awesome. Brake pedal feels okay. A little squishy. Oh yeah. Well, I wrapped this brake job up back in October. It's May now. My wounds have healed and been replaced by new ones, and the truck still hasn't broken apart, so that's a good sign. I saved at least a couple $100 doing it myself. It was tough, but hopefully it's all uphill from here. On to the next project. Thanks for watching.